Inside this little envelope is the highly anticipated Apple's credit card, and we're going to go ahead and not only just activate it, but we're going to go ahead and see what kind of tech is inside. Now, I already know inside this little envelope, Apple, from what I've seen from their activation video, it's a really simple process, and what it looks like, it's using some kind of NFC chip. What I want to go ahead and see, what type of NFC chip is it, and is it possible to write on it to maybe rewrite it into an Amiibo? Let's find out. Now, I'm actually generally surprised that Apple or Golden Stack actually ship out this envelope with overnight FedEx shipping, because literally a day and a half after I filled up the application and got approved, this immediately arrived. So upon arrival, I mean, this card definitely already feels different than many other banks out there. So inside the envelope is another brown envelope. Let's go ahead and quickly unpeel this. And there we have it. That is the white iconic envelope that Apple has been advertising there in their how-to tutorial guides. This card almost feels like a wedding invitation of some kind. I mean, the etching of the in-depth Apple logo, I mean, like, looks really cool, and this paper feels really soft. It's really bizarre. But let's go ahead and quickly open it. It's telling us to activate using the wallet. Now, in the Apple video, they advertise that you could just simply place your phone on top of the card, and we're supposed to see an animation similar to like AirPods. I'm not seeing that here. I guess we're gonna have to open up the wallet app and do it the old-fashioned way. That's not right here. I want to see the animation. Hold on, I'm gonna force close this application and go back to the home page and try again. It's not working. That's a shame. I really wanted to see that animation. Not sure if this is because I'm on a beta, but it's not letting me. Whatever, let's just activate it this way. But other than that, our card is now activated. That was a really easy process. I just really wanted to see that cool animation, but unfortunately, for whatever said reason, we weren't able to succeed in doing that. But it's definitely more efficient than having to call out the bank and enter the last four of your credit card to activate. So let's go ahead and take our card out. Oops, silly me, I accidentally ripped the edges. No worries, we were gonna cut those up anyways. So the feeling of this card, I mean, honestly, this is my first impression. This is my first time ever touching this. It feels odd. I never owned a card like this, and it definitely does feel like I'm part of some weird exclusive club. But let's go ahead and begin dissecting. Using a sharp utensil, let's go ahead and cut down the edge. Let's go ahead and pull this back, and let's clear this second layer off. And there is our NFC chip. Now, I have no intent to implant this like that one lady did with her Tesla key, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my Android phone, and I'm gonna use my Amiibo scan tool that I use. For those who are interested, this application is called Tagmo. It's free to download. You can go ahead and try to scan this tag, and it gives us a message. So it's not the supported tag that we need in order to create an Amiibo. That's a shame. But what kind of tag is this? I'm gonna go ahead and switch to this application. It's called NFC Tools. This thing will read anything NFC and tell us more about it. With this application, as soon as you launch it, just tap the NFC in the back, and there's our information. Now, depending on this information, I might blur some things that I believe are too sensitive. But on top of here, we can see the tag type. Yeah, it's definitely not supported for the Amiibos, but that's the type of tag this is. Shows us the serial number. And no, it's not writable. So yeah, my theory is correct. It's only a one-time use. It does give us a link to where this thing takes us. Out of curiosity, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and open this on the web browser. So the storage size is right there. It's not that large. Let's go ahead and clip this link to the web browser and paste it on Google Chrome real quick. See where it takes us. So it took us to Google. It's this first link. I don't know if this is what it links you to whenever you activate your card. I really don't think so. It's not something Apple would do. But that's a shame. Let's see if I could write something on it, like make it take us to a link. Go ahead and enter YouTube URL. Alright, let's go ahead and write it. And we got an error message. So yeah, it is a one-time write. You can't rewrite this one. So it's a one-time use only NFC chip. That's interesting, but well, whatever. This was a really fun experiment to see if we could rewrite this NFC chip. Unfortunately, you cannot, but the setup process was really easy, really straightforward, and I really do like the way this card feels. Even dropping it at a somewhat high height, I mean, it makes like a really loud titanium sound. So this card is no joke. I wonder what would happen if someone sharpens it at one edge and make it into like a throwing knife. Next idea maybe? Let me know down in the comment section if that's something you guys will be interested in. I'm gonna go ahead and end this short experiment video. If you guys enjoyed, you know what to do. Make sure to hit that like button. If you guys enjoyed all things tech, make sure to also hit that subscribe button while you're down there. That's pretty much the type of content I primarily focus on. It's just tech. But again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.